Hi everyone, so I'm just unboxing my brand new Coach Pillow Madison shoulder bag, and this is in the color black. It's made out of lambskin leather and it's extremely beautiful, you guys. Like, just feeling it right now, the quality feels amazing. It's super soft. I'm just gonna open it and I'll take out the wrapping. Okay, so I got most of it out. Now I'll just take out this wrapping from the front pocket. Okay, and there we go. Alright, you guys, so some of the features right off the bat that I really love are the color of the stitching. I love that the C is done in a monochromatic way that matches the bag. So, meaning that this is black leather and this is also black leather. It comes with a back slip pocket and there are double grommets at the top. So that way you could easily wear this two ways, either as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. You could even clasp the chain to make this into a top handle bag as well, like the Chanel 19. So I'll give you a tour of the inside. So there is an inside zippered pocket here, which is fairly spacious. The interior of this pocket is fabric lined. Now, there's also microfiber suede in the main pocket inside, and I love that it's a very light color, so it allows you to easily see your things. I don't see any credit card slot pockets, which is completely fine. And then in the front, we also have a magnetic flat pocket as well. And again, microfiber suede on the inside. Wow, this bag is so beautiful, you guys. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about purchasing on Farfetch. And I randomly stumbled across this bag at half price off from the price advertised on Farfetch. So after the discount, and that was 50% off plus an additional 20% off and free shipping on top of that. So, you know, depending on what time or day you're browsing, sometimes these deals just randomly pop up. So I paid only $355.91 Canadian, and there was no tax charged. There was no duties either, so that was really good. This is an amazing deal, especially for in Canada, because on the Coach website the bag is still full price. So I'm super happy with this, and this is something that I wanted for a long time. But to be honest with you, because of the prices in Canada the way they are and the economy going the way it's going, I didn't want to pay full price for the bag. I especially really love black bags right now because I've just realized about myself that a lot of my attire is black, white, nude, olive, so I love having this as a neutral, and black really goes with my personality. To be honest, I'm a little bit edgier in terms of how I dress, or I dress very minimal and casual. Just feeling it right now in terms of quality, I could honestly see why so many people out there do pay full price for this bag, because it's amazing. Like, again, it's just something that you need to feel in person to understand, and I don't think the photos do this bag justice when it comes to the way that the leather feels in person. Okay, but this was just a quick unboxing and an unveiling. Tips for Farfetch: try to go on in the mornings if you can and filter your search by discounts. Sometimes the bags won't even be advertised as being on sale. You'll really just have to kind of browse and find it yourself, and that's what happened with this one. yeah, I guess, you know, at the right time, the right thing for you will come. But definitely a good experience on Farfetch. The shipping only took 4 days through DHL as well. It was really fast. And can't say enough good things about this bag. So keep an eye out for a review coming soon. And until next time, take care.